All right, so I'm going to show you a recipe that you can make in the car with your USB powered blender. Look, the USB goes right there. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut water. You ready? Oh yeah. Should take the strainer off. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut water. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Yep. And I'm going to add my secret ingredient, Patriot Power Greens. This thing is just packed. If you check out the ingredient list, it is packed with a bunch of fruits and a bunch of vegetables and a bunch of probiotics and a bunch of enzymes. So I'm just going to supercharge my coconut water and kind of give it a little bit of a green zest, if you will. Here we go. Okay. And I'm going to take my lid back on. So we got coconut water, lemon juice, and now a packet of Patriot Power Greens. By the way, those packets are free when you get one of these, which are pretty cool. And then if you can see this button right here, I'm just going to press this. I could do it sideways, I could do it upside down, and here we go. Right in the car. I'm blending in the car right now. Oh, it's kind of turning green. How about that? Okay, well, it's pretty blended. Whoa, it tastes good. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I don't even like coconut that much, but this is really good. Okay. Now we're going to do frozen fruit. Let me tear my frozen fruit off. And hey, pop quiz. Is a battery charge, not battery, is a USB charged device. This doesn't take batteries. You charge it with a USB. Is it powerful enough to do ice cubes and frozen fruit? Yes. All right. Imagine taking your kitchen with you to the job site, to the gym, to work, on a road trip. Amazing. Okay, so now I got frozen blueberries in there, and we're just gonna blend it again. I hope this gets better. You know, normally sometimes I add too many things to my smoothies, but I like busy smoothies. So here we go. Ooh, baby! It's blending. It's blending in my car. I am blending in my car. This is incredible. And it's still going. It's been going for 20 seconds. Oh, and it stopped. You know what? It's actually got a safety feature to let the battery cool off a little bit. 20 seconds might be the limit. All right, here we go. Now, if I want, I can unscrew the top of this, and there is a strainer right here so that all of the berry skins will stay in, if that's the way I like it. But oh yeah, I like busy smoothies, so I'm gonna take it all. I like pulp. Here we go. That got even better. This is amazing. And I can do this anywhere. So this is called the Patriot Power Blender. You charge it with a USB and you take it with you. So it's like having your kitchen with you, and when I'm done, I'm just gonna squirt in a little bit of soap, blend it again, and pour it out. It's clean. It's amazing. And right now, and you get a bunch of these, you get 4 of these. We're gonna take 40% off your whole price, And you're going to get some Patriot Power Greens and Patriot Smoothies. They're going to be incredible. That's going to be free. And we're going to send you this incredible smoothie recipe printed book with these gorgeous pictures and these smoothie recipes that you can make in your Patriot Power Blender anywhere. That's going to be free. Oh, and shipping is going to be free. I'll go ahead and cover that too. So this is Patriot Power Blender, and I'm going to need you to click the link right now because this is a brand new product and I don't anticipate holding on to them for very long. Click the link right now. You got to claim one of these right now. I'm in my car.